So today we're going to take a look at how you can use column names like last quarter and instead of typing in things like E2 in Excel. And this is a pretty cool way, especially for those who don't like using that, so you don't want to do like D2 plus E2. You want to do like Q3 plus E plus last quarter. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So one thing you want to do first of all is, if you're on a Mac or Windows, if you want to press Control A or Command A. We're just going to highlight all these data here like that with that command. If you're on a Mac or if you're on maybe a Windows computer, it doesn't have a row function keys. The command is Command or Control depending on what you're on. So it's Command Shift F3 for Mac, and if you're on Windows, it's Control Shift F3. But if you like I say you don't have that row, it's Command Function, that's the FN key, Shift and F3. So once you've done that, you're going to see that this little box pops up called Create Names. And since we don't have any names down here, we just have our location. We're just going to use our top row. We're just going to click left column. I'm going to click OK. And there's a couple of things I'm going to show you here. So as this might be a use case scenario, you're going to wonder why I wrote Q1, Q2, Q3 and last quarters. The reason for that, I'm going to show you now. If you press equals and just to do a sum and add them up, you might want to type in like Q1, and now you're going to see here in this drop down menu, that'll go away, you're going to see Q1 underscore. And that's purely because Q1 does also exist in the table, so it needs to know what it's referenced. So as you can see there, it's actually done Q1. And we're going to press plus, and we're going to do Q2 plus Q3. And we're just going to click that. And then we're going to type in plus last quarter. And you're going to see that last quarter doesn't actually have an underscore underneath it. It does have an underscore in between, because of course you can't reference a space in an Excel formula. So once we've done that and we press tab to get out of there, you're going to see now that we have all our data. And it's done all those sums for us there. And if we, let's say, just take out Q3, we can do that simply. And press good, and there we are, it's altered all of them for us. Another way we can just test it, if I go back and just add the Q3 back in, is I can highlight this whole row here, and down here under sum you can see that the number is the same as the number in our total bar. So that's how you can add with like row names in Excel. I hope you found that useful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.